push you into quarantine. I'll lock you up until you turn 18. So maybe then I'll never have to fear that you might suddenly bite off my ear. Please don't bite off my ear. I can't say goodbye. My face will be too mangled to identify. If I could get your house repossessed, you'd be forced to relocate to your grands in the Northwest. I could get you arrested for stealing a car. I could get you a job as a minor. I could ship you in a crate to Qatar. I sell you as kebab to a dirty dinosaur. Anyway, I could get your folks to forget you on the freeway. Sell you to a freak show on its way to Uruguay. I can get you stuck on a fairground ride. Send you to a wedding in some West End with you as the bride. I can't say goodbye, but it's no use trying to deny that I don't wanna be friends with you. So do whatever you have to do.
I get it. Too intense, right?